There's to be renewed focus on the Jamaica Constabulary Force. That, according to National Security Minister Horace Chang, is the next step in the government's crime-fighting strategy. Dr. Chang was speaking at a Jamaica Labour Party JLP constituency meeting in southern St. James on Sunday. He suggested that years of neglect of the JCF have been affecting its efficiency, and so steps are being taken to undo the damage.
After 7 months as Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang has listed the deteriorating working conditions police officers face each day as a major impediment to crime fighting.
And I'm not talking about Salvi now. Every police station in Jamaica is a mess. Everyone. When you walk in them, you're embarrassed to say people work here, so you ask policemen to work in stations which are in total disarray and provide quality service.
He says with a 24% increase in the budget last year, the government is building new police stations in some divisions and fixing over 60 other stations. After several reports of run-down toilets at stations, Dr. Chang says he has instructed the Police Services Department and the Security Ministry to put special focus on this area.
Imagine professional people work in a place, them do a proper toilet facility. Not for the prisoner, for the policeman themselves. You walk to the police station and see a run from upstairs, downstairs into the police office. How can you expect men to work efficiently under those conditions? That the Labour Party government went to correct.
The issue of excessive force being used by the police is another sore area. In its April to June quarterly report, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, reported that 135 people have been shot by the police for the period. 40% of those shot were not armed. Dr. Chang promised to address this.
The police in Jamaica have never been given opportunity to train and arm with non-lethal equipment to apprehend whether it is criminals or just managed crowds or a mentally ill person. These are things that have led to an ineffective police force. This government is committed to not only rebuilding the force and getting the numbers right, but giving the police the equipment that they can ensure citizen safety.
He also listed a shortage of uniforms for officers and an insufficient number of vehicles at several stations. However, no promise or suggestion was made to rectify those issues. Herman Green, TVJ News.